Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix an unexpected error with login session in League of Legends. So the first thing what you need to do here is to close Riot Client. And to do so, just open up Riot Client, and then on the top right corner you should see this little profile icon button. Just press sign out, and once you do that, then open up Task Manager, go to details, and then scroll down until you see Riot Client Services and just end task here in process. And once you do that, then basically open up Riot Client again with a administrator here, and you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here is to change your DNS server addresses. And to do so, on the bottom right corner you should see a little network icon here under your system tray. And you just need to right click on it, go to network and internet settings, and then you need to go to advanced network settings, more network adapter options, and then right click on it on your internet and go to properties. And once you're on this window, then you need to find Internet Protocol version 6. Make sure this basically option is disabled, and then you need to look for Internet Protocol version 4. Press on that, and then you press on use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you just need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server you just need to write 8.8.4.4. Apply changes, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here is to clear your DNS cache. So on search, you just need to write cmd or command prompt and run as administrator here, press yes, and then you just need to enter these commands one by one. First one, ipconfig /renew, and then ipconfig /flushdns, just enter them one by one, and then nash int ipv4 reset, nash int ipv6 reset, nash win HTTP reset proxy, and ipconfig /register DNS. So add these commands one by one, and after you do so, just restart the computer and you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, and the last thing that you can do here, you can clear Riot Client cache. So basically you just need to press Windows and A key, or on search you just need to write run here. And on run basically tab, you need to write %sign app data %sign, press OK, and then press on app data, then local, then you need to find Riot Games and just delete Riot Client folder, and then you just need to go to Riot Client, log into your account, and the problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.